Well, today's ride's a little backwards. We're going someplace I have saw the road to but never been to before. Hickory Flat Cemetery. It's way back up in the wilderness. It is a cemetery that goes way back into the early 1800s. Some very, very old graves here, but the people here have not really been forgotten because people take care of this up here. And it's just a beautiful, quiet place. There's no church or anything here anymore. There was once a schoolhouse and a church. There's one there that 1803 to 1849, a long time ago, and 1834 to 1909. This next one I couldn't read the inscription on it. I hoped maybe it would come out in the picture, but it didn't. But anyway, it was just a neat place, and we rode up here and took a look at this place. And I didn't film coming in, so we're going to film going back out. So here we go. The sign says the schoolhouse set right here. So this is way back up in the middle of nowhere off of Forest Service Road 58 in southern Fannin County. I'm riding with my cousin Fred Walden today, and we're sort of going slow going out of here because we lost the pack off the back of his bike coming in, and we're trying to see if we can't find it on the way out. Let's keep on looking. I think I got some zip ties. You want to zip tie it to something other?
I'll fix it a better way.
Here. You can put a couple of zip ties on that thing and just cut them off when you get home. At least it.
Go ahead.
And back to Forest Service Road 58. We're heading off to the left here. We come in from the right.